Make in India target that we have today is to move the contribution of manufacturing to the GDP of India from 17%, which is current, to 25% by the year 2022. India today is, according to me, one of the most open economies, one of the most open countries where anyone can come and set up shop. That is the first thing. We are looking at all the 25 manufacturing zones which the country has identified, and we are looking at ensuring that the policies and regulations in these 25 industries are taken care of to ensure that it is easy to come and do business. At the same time, the government is also promoting innovation, it is promoting startup. It is promoting a great infrastructure which ensures that all the logistics and transport issues of the manufacturing companies are taken care of. So there is already a huge effort going on, and we do see a lot of companies who are showing interest and coming into India and creating jobs for us. If I look at Switzerland, it is one of the most important countries with whom we have an absolutely fantastic relationship. Switzerland is a hub of innovation when it comes to industries like chemicals, pharma, biotechnology, financial services, IT, and these are some of the industries that we are promoting under Make in India, and because of this reason, Switzerland is a very, very important hub for us. Our Prime Minister was here just a few weeks back. And there is a plethora of activity happening on the bilateral side, and there's a lot of focusing on Swiss companies and helping both the larger ones as well as the medium and small enterprises to come to India. India is looking at something like a $2 trillion of investment in infrastructure from now to the next 3 to 5 years. And the key aim is to ensure that there is good connectivity. We are looking at creating new cities altogether, making them smarter. There are 100 smart cities that have been identified. We already have 10 mega international airports. We are looking at creating 200 more airports. We are creating freight corridors across the whole country, north, south, east, west. We are looking at creating industrial corridors around these areas, which are the key, where the key freight corridors will run. We have national highways going across these key industrial areas. We are looking at completely overhauling and ensuring that the industrial parks or the industrial areas for various industries like food processing, manufacturing are identified. There are land parcels available. They are connected to the rest of the country, both from a perspective of getting easy access to raw material as well as marketing. So these are some of the initiatives that we are taking as a country.